much as I enjoyed staying in Bicol, it's finally time to head back home in Manila. And this time, I'm taking Subie with me. After 8 hours of driving, we finally made it in Nestlix. We stopped over for a bit so we could all have a quick lunch, and then we headed right back onto the road.
Subie.
Welcome back. So we are on our way to a car meet again, and I've got Subie with me. This is actually her first time attending a car meet, and I hope that she wouldn't be too stressed with all the noise, people, cars, and everything. Jensen's gonna be bringing his dog as well, so let's hope that they get along, have fun, and just have a good experience. Subaru. Dito ka na. Ah. Takot siya.
Cooper! Yun yung instincts na
is it. We're done with the meet. We're going home. We're all very tired. Well, Subie, I guess she really is a Subaru. She's living up to her name. Subie had a leak, and I had to clean all of it up. Like, it's super hot, and I'm sat on the floor wiping everything off her butt, getting everything out of her hair. So yeah, Subie's really tired. She's gonna have a good sleep tonight. She met new friends, which she didn't care for. She's always barking at everyone, like people, dogs. This girl. But we just have to work on her socialization so she gets used to it, and hopefully she gets friendlier. Yeah, I think that's it.
Sakura